So today I want to talk to all farmers who are into watermelon, cucumber and butternut production. So I received a question and it's written in my local language. It's saying, okay, amakabe amisewe bloomer, what spray must I use or fertilizer? So this person is simply saying, my watermelons, they have reached a blooming stage, and what spray or what fertilizer can I use? Right. So when your watermelons, when your butternuts, when your cucumbers, they are approaching the blooming phase or the flowering stage, now you have to get rid of the fruit fly. The fruit fly is the one which, when it enters inside the fruit, it makes the fruit, or it causes the fruit to rot. So if fruit fly iabolisa ama fruits, so this is what we're trying to get rid of. This fruit fly causes our crops, or it causes our fruits to rot, especially butternuts, cucumbers and watermelons and some other cucurbitae. So this fruit fly can be eradicated by using an insecticide or a pesticide which is called the malathion. So this malathion, you can simply dilute it with water and you spray. You do what we call a full cover spray to your crops or to your plants. So the idea here is to eradicate this fruit fly, which damages these crops when it reaches the larva stage. When it is in larva stage, that's when it bores, or it opens, it enters inside the fruit, and when it comes out, it will come out in the adult stage, and it is now a fruit fly. So what we are trying to do here is to disturb that cycle so that it won't come back to make our crops rot. So this is what you have to spray. It's malathion. So when you go to any agro dealer, you have to tell them you're looking for malathion towards flowering stage, towards the fruiting stage, towards the blooming phase. So next was, which fertilizer must I use? I recommend using foliar fertilizers when your crops reach the fruiting stage. You can use calcium-based foliar fertilizers. You can use nitrogen-based foliar fertilizers. As of now, I'll recommend someone to use the calcium foliar fertilizer. This calcium foliar fertilizer, it is rich in calcium. When it's rich in calcium, it will make your crops to be strong. To be strong, I mean the inner part or the outside part, the shell, it is going to be strong. And it also prolongs the shelf life. When you give out your crops to the market, the shelf life is prolonged by using this foliar spray. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you were helped by this video, or if you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up, and also comment in the comment section down below. If you don't have anything to say, just write the city or the country where you're watching this video from. This will help to push this video to a broader audience so that we can grow our community. Thank you so much, guys. Have a lovely day.